Students, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll explain you how to write the letter for ICSE board exams. As the children are going to write the exams from Monday onwards, that is 27th of February. So I'm going to give you some guidelines, the way you have to write the letter. Okay. So when you write the letter, whether it is a formal letter or informal letter, you need to write all the, the date, receiver's address, sender's address, yours affectionately, the subscript, everything should be on your left side on the paper. You should not write on the right side of your paper. Okay, so I'm talking about the details which you are going to write on the paper when you write the letter. Okay, so not about the paragraphs or anything. And when you write the letter, the way you have to write the date is, for example, you are writing on the 27th February. 27th, okay, 27th February, full form, comma, then 2023. So that is the way of writing the date in the letter. And afterwards, when you write the city's name, we should be capital. Okay, so Vijayawada, no? So we should be capital. And after that, subject is very important. When you write the letter, subject is very important. So why are you writing this letter? Okay, the people who are belong to the official cadre, they cannot see the whole letter. They'll simply look at the subject. Okay, so that is why when you write the formal letter, subject is very important. Okay, subject is very important for both of the letters. When you write the subject, that will be more effective. Okay, so then you will get good marks. Okay, so when you write the subject, all the letters have to be capital. Okay, so that is important. And after writing the subject, you can start the letter. You need to write at least 2 or 3 paragraphs for explaining all the things in that letter. Okay, so if you are writing an informal letter, you need to use at the end of your letter, yours affectionately, yours lovingly. Okay, so you can write like that, and then you can write your name. For example, if you are writing the formal letter, if you are addressing an official person, then you have to say yours sincerely. No need to use the apostrophe. Okay, so when you write yours, there is no need to use the apostrophe. The meaning will be changed. Okay, so yours, yours, there is no apostrophe for that. Yours faithfully, yours obediently. So those words have to be used when you write the formal letter. Okay, so punctuation marks are very important. Full stops, commas, apostrophes. So these are all very important. The handwriting is more important than anything. And write the letter on only one side of your booklet, one side of the paper in a booklet. Okay, so you should not divide the letter into 2 pages. Okay, so that is not good. You have to write the whole letter on the one side of the paper in a booklet. You cannot write half of the letter on one side, another half on the other side of the paper. That is not good. So write the whole letter on the same page, on the same side of the letter. And